Okay,
But
so yeah,
yeah,
the phone cut out. Anyway, yeah. So keep going.
yeah. So, anyways, his fingers are like they look like normal fingers now, and since his guitar's like a physically bigger proportion guitar, his fingers look normal. But you have to keep in mind, like
The
he's
dude's a freaking giant.
yeah,
Yeah.
he's like 6'6", and with the bucket on, he's like over 7 feet.
Like
Um,
and the
but
fact he did a robot dance like throughout the entire show, like while he was
yeah, when
playing
he
guitar.
was playing, he was like shifting on his like feet all the time, like going low, going high.
He did the shooting guitar thing at
yeah,
one
like
point.
machine gun kill switch.
Yeah, it was a really fun time. I had a great time. You know, it was interesting. It was interesting. You
Yeah.
know,
Well,
it is also like what it is 1:30.
yeah, we're
in
we
the morning.
we just got off the train, and like I'm like I've been up since 6 o'clock yesterday, so like I'm still not tired, but I know I have to go to
Dude,
bed.
you're
So
gonna crash so
I
hard.
know I'm gonna crash so hard. But final conclusions, we both had a lot of fun, right?
Yeah, well, we did. You know, that whole thing was really great. You know, there were there were people. He gave me another toy at one point, and this girl like in the front row didn't get one. I gave that to her, and maybe if you see this, you know, but I don't know where the heck she's from, and you know, that was a great time. And it was a really weird day, you know, especially because, you know, walking the, you know, University City streets and then, bam, Times Square. You know, it was, that started it off, then Ripley's Believe It or Not, which was absolutely ridiculous, you know, with all the weird statues and everything. You know, I was convinced there were going to be, like, jump scares, but there weren't. Then just like Buckethead, and he was absolutely, you know, weird and just wonderful. It was a great time.
It was
It was well worth every penny. You know,
I will end this video by saying I recommend Buckethead to any human being with ears.
he's pretty good. Don't listen to him at a super high volume, or else you'll go deaf. But you know, because that dude can shred. I don't even think shred is a good word. Eviscerate would be a better word. You know, I don't know.
I have a personal theory that he wears the mask because he once played a face-melting solo with no one else around to take the hit. That's just a joke that I like. But yeah,
when that hurt his beautiful hands.
hurt his beautiful hand.